Verdad, Zamboanga del Norte. So this is the river of El Paraiso, guys. So for now, they are working there. They are working. So you can see a work for 2020. And yeah, we will check that one when we come back next time. If what's the progress here. So please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye! So they are working there, guys, for the submarine. Yan. Kasi nga, bakpo, no? Bakpo. So, someday, basing karong year, no? This year, it will be, there's already a bridge. Bridge over there. Yan, oh. So, it's good really to have that's the bridge over there. Yan. Not a lot of workers, guys. Grabe, no? Look at that, guys. Hello, ninaog na sa bato. Oh, magbong ka. Ah! Look at that. 360 din na siya. Ah, okay. Jesus races and Dasi. Ah, so ikatag day siya. Look at that. Ah, so bali ihatod-hatod day siya. Diri siya ibanda. Okay. Wala, naog pa. Magbong jud karon. Zamboanga del Norte. Ah, Zamboanga del Norte din ang makuan. This is an El Paraiso River, guys. El Paraiso, La Libertad, Zamboanga del Norte. And they are making here a bridge. Submarine. Ayan. Oops! Bloody salam! Oh my God. Look at that. So, yun. Padidit siya. Nag-swim siya, guys. You want to swim? Oh no! Ah, okay. Wow. Look at that. See? The sun. It's really good to have a machine. Oh, like that. So, he is arranging the stones. So, how that's what it's working like that. So, where we can swim now. Other people there working. Nilubog na niya. Oh, what's that? Uy! Giligo. Basta nang iyahang naong. Ha? Lagi no? Look at that, guys. Wow, see? kay Kapadulong. Ha? Naka, sa Kapadulong. Ganda. Okay. Kaso na siya Padulong ato sa Kalula. Nakuha siya bato. O, si... Yan. Okay. So, para din siya makagidiri, no? Dito na siya mag-an. Okay. Very good. Para dili na siya mulusot. Dili na makalaba diha. So that the water overflow there. Look at how it works. Museum. Look, isa guys. Look, isa. Isa guys, so nag-swim sila isa. Hello, nagawa na sa batoy. Aliw ko na ko pa. So we are watching there guys. We are working from ayan, that's the other. They are working here in the bridge. So it's good that we did yan, nandito na silang dalawa. Nagpa-cute sila sa akin. Isa guys, so isirado din na silang kalabadihanas doon. Hello, ha? Para dito na lang yun siya ang baha. Ang water niya, water flow. Lagi, irok niya ang dako nga bato guys. Very big stone. What that? Go over there. That's the river guys. Electricity line. Other workers over there. Bagian man lagi na niya diha no? Ha? Grabe, may kuman. Magahaan lang lula ba? Ha? Dito, nito nila ni Pagi. Grabe, paghimo na, no? Diha oh. Abidyo na akong dito na ikakuan. Nagkuha na sila guys. Oh. Kusugan jud og agi ay. Laka. For how many years guys? Karon pa na siya na 2020. Year 2020, they are making a bridge here. But yeah, they make the overflow of the water going there, and then if it's getting flood guys, there's a house of my grandmother there. Yeah, it's dangerous. Look at that. The water flow is a strong overflow. Strong flow of water. Layat ka. Layat.
Hoy, mahulog. Itukag po rin na si Mot.
Gatapod, dabi ka na sila diya. Oh my gosh.
Hoy!
Grabe, no? Aircon man siguro na sila lom. Sawang yang gikuha diri, gamay ra kayang gikuha.
Ang lagsik pero may nakakuha siya. May sikat naman na sila si Mo. Kaya nagpatuwa ang mga ate.
Alayo ra na.
Wala si Lloyd ay nakuha na ni Bebe.
Sa orasan naman di ay.
Ano sa naurasa? Kumana naman po
Silaw ta
kay
din gikuha
Grede.
no kay diha mi maligo. Palalom.
Kay si Bebe kadala na mo dito sa dito sila ito.
Dala oh.